YouTube, what's good, man? We back. Another video, another sauce alert, man. It's your boy Fendi. Back with that banger, man. Giving y'all that sauce, man. Showing you how my day went today. And today was only one trade for me. It ain't take that long. Nice little trade. Over 22%, over 25% gain on majority of the contracts. You know what I'm saying? Only took 3 contracts. And as you can see on the screen, the stock I traded was Nvida. The reason I traded Nvida because Nvida smashed earnings yesterday. Them boys did their thing. They did their thing. That's why you can see right here as we look on the screen. Yesterday it closed at 208, and today we open up at 235. We open up at 235. Oh man, that's a huge move. A huge move. Crazy. That's how good them boys' earnings was. But yeah, man. Enough of that. Let's get into the trade. So coming in today, man, I know Nvidia had good earnings. And then the first thing I did was, okay, let me look at my levels. Let me see what levels I'm looking to play off of. And as you can see on the 15-minute chart, what do we have right here? What do we have right here? We have this pivot high, and we got this nice little restructure area. We got that right there. And we got that right there. So we looking to play off these 2 levels right here. And also let's go to the daily. Let's see what we got in the daily. Look when we bring it back even further, what we got. It gapped above. It gapped above the gap fill. So let me make this red. So now look, we got 1. Go to the 15-minute. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 3 confluences. We got 3 used to be supply levels, now just became a demand level. Look at it. So now, me knowing that, I'm looking like, okay, this is the level I want to play off of. We already got a good catalyst, a great catalyst, earnings. You know, everybody love earnings. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, the investors, traders, you know what I'm saying? That's when you get able to get the nice move. And then just look how we came down and touched them support areas. And look at this, look at the tail, look at the aggressive buying off of that area. They gave us a nice shooting star candle. Gave us a nice shooting star candle. Now let me go to the 3 minutes so I can break it down for y'all even better. Get y'all in this groove. See, show y'all how this thing played out or not. So yeah, so that's what it was coming to the day. So coming in today, we looking to play off this 230 area. We looking for this to be support. Once we find this support, we get long, and then we just continue to take profits as the trade work in our favor and move in our direction. So first candle initial morning, sellers come in, and I don't even think it's sellers. I think it's just people taking profit. You get what I'm saying? Like, yo, some people feel like, yo, we up, man. Some people been holding it from earnings. Some people been swing trading it. You know what I'm saying? You had some YOLO people yesterday who say, man, I'm banking on Nvidia, man. Let me take some profit. You know what I'm saying? We got all type of traders out here who like to do, you know, they got their own little strategy, how they get to the bag. But yeah, so we see it pull down into the 230 area, and then let's see what the next candle do. Okay, we tried to push up, but you see the aggressive selling starting to come in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But look, our volume bar is still green. So now let's see what the next candle do. Once we get this candle, this is the candle I get in at. This the candle I get in at. But look, when you look on the option chart, we see we have the tail. So when I got in at the top as it was above VWAP, but you know, sellers came down, pushed it back down to retest this level again. That's why you see I'm in right there. So we didn't really necessarily go yet. So then let's see what the next candle did. Now we got the green candle, and you can see that's when I added this first candle. I got in one contract, and I got in one contract, you know what I'm saying, I just in case, you know what I'm saying, the stock take off without me, or we get a crazy pullback, and I don't want to be in full size yet. You get what I'm saying? Because yo, you never know, it already gapped up over $20, so you know what I'm saying, it's nothing for it to pull back. It's nothing for people to be like, all right, we good, we done made that little money, you know what I'm saying, let's take some off the table. And then, you know, sellers trying to short short it anyway, you know what I'm saying. So but once we got this green candle, and I see us about to get back over VWAP, that's when I jumped in it again. That's when I added 2. So this candle I added 1, then we moved over to this candle, I added 2. So now I'm in 3 contracts, and the stop loss is above this red line, this 239, this 230 area, somewhere about it, right up in here. And then let's see what happens next candle. Okay, look, let me move this out the way for y'all. We get this let us know an aggressive buying stepping in off this 230 level. You see this shooting star, you see this tail, and now we firmly is above VWAP. So once I see that, I'm feeling good. So okay, let's see what the next candle in store. Bam! We're through VWAP, we're through the high of the day, we're through the open line, and what do? Sell one contract. Take my first piece of profit, sell my one contract right here. So now I got 2 left, so I'm feeling good. I'm good now. Once I see this candle, okay, once I see this level hold support real good, once I see this shooting star candle, and we above what we was previously under, we above VWAP, I'm feeling good. Let's see the next candle. You see the next candle? This is where I sold another contract. Show y'all where it got in at. It was at the top. Once we got that push, come on. That's where I sold my other contract at. Right at that top. Once we got that push through there. Hold on, let me bring this down a little bit. The first one was right here. The next one was right there. That's how it went. So that's why I sold my other contract. So now I'm up good on the trade. I'm already up like $6 a share on the trade. Although I'm in options, but you know what I'm saying, we up 6 points, and now I'm just looking to get the 240. And let's see what happens. We get an extension move, and then we fall just short of 240. Once we get to 240, that's when I'm gonna sell my last contract. And then let's see. We start to consolidate, just to try to push again. Starting to break down, and then once we got this candle right here, I'm gone. Right there, as you can see, I'm out. So my last one. So man, basically I ain't get that much on the last contract, but it still was green. But overall, it was a solid, successful trade. I was holding that to get the 240. We didn't quite get the 240, which is okay. But once we broke down like that, I just got out. So yeah, man, it was just that easy. We found the major support level. We allow it to pull back into that major support level. Buyers started to step in. We stepped in, we first got one contract just in case the stock take off without us, or it pulled back deep enough, and you know what I'm saying, we don't be in full size, but we wanted to be in this trade period, so we just did one just to be safe. You know what I'm saying, because you never know what these stocks gonna do. You got a game plan, but yo, your game plan could go south quick. So, and then once we seen our confirmation, we got over VWAP, we added. And then as the stock started to move in our favor, in our direction, all we did was just sell our contracts and take our profit. And then that was the trade, man. It was simple as that. We had a great catalyst, and then you know, it was just good like that. It was nothing to it. Just good like that. So yeah, man. That's it, man. Y'all go ahead and like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? All your newcomers. And man, I'm giving y'all that sauce each and every day. You know what I'm saying? Showing y'all how my day was, wins or losses, man. You know what I'm saying? If y'all can take something from the video, go ahead and take something, man. You got any questions, man? Drop the comments down below. Make sure you share the video.
Yeah, we see shares popping here, John. It's a beat on the top and bottom lines. EPS coming in at 88 cents. That's down 33% year on year, but a beat of the 81 cents the street was looking for. Revenue coming in at $6.05 billion, just a slight beat over the $6 billion the street was looking for.
Investors are always looking for best-in-class stocks. Nvidia is seen as the market leader when it comes to chips for AI.
Yeah, good news. I think there was some concern heading into the print that there might be an inline guide. They clearly beat on the top line. Came in about 200 million above the street numbers, about 500 million above our numbers.
We were just showing it a second ago. They're called accelerator chips. You're forecasting that Nvidia gets about $3 billion in revenue from accelerator chips this quarter. Their next closest competitor, AMD, about 100 million.